Here we are, an hour and 45 minutes before I have to leave for the airport. And I haven't packed. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan. Even if you aren't new, I probably had to remind you because I've been MIA for quite some time. Things have been a little bit crazy here. I recently got engaged. I was gonna do an engagement announcement video. That didn't happen. And then I also just got a new job. So I truthfully have been all over the place and have just really been going through a restructuring of my life. So I haven't been filming, but we're back because we're going to Disney. I am leaving today, Saturday, the 25th, and I'm gonna be there till the following Saturday, which I think is May 2nd. I'm staying at the Riviera with Tom. I'm so super excited. It's gonna be an amazing trip. My parents keep joking, saying they're gonna show up, and I honestly wouldn't put that past them, so we'll see what happens. But like I said, I literally haven't packed anything, and our flight's at 2:30 and it's 10:15. So I have a lot to do and we're gonna do it together. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. All right, let's chat packing list. I have been making my packing list on Notion for quite some time. I'm reading it off my phone today, and you can do this on your notes app, and it's very similar where you click the little bubble and it will cross it off for you. But let's run through my list very quickly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 categories, and the first category is listed as day outfits. If you are new around my channel, I don't list out like 5 shirts, 6 shorts, etc. I just list the park that I'm going to in the morning underneath day outfits, and then as I'm packing, I pick what I'm gonna wear that day and we'll cross it off. So I have a travel day, Epcot day, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and then our flight home. And then I do the same thing for night. So where we're going to eat if we have a reservation, and then the park we're going to, or if we're going to Disney Springs or the Boardwalk. So we have Wine Bar George in Disney Springs, Bar Reva in Hollywood Studios, Il Molino and Epcot, Flying Fish and Boardwalk, Narcoossee's in Magic Kingdom, Topolino, Hollywood Studios, and then Via Napoli and Epcot. Lots of reservations we got going on. Then we have clothing and accessories. This is where I put all the other random things that maybe aren't tied to a specific outfit. So PJs, underwear, socks, bras, bathing suits, cover up, hat, jewelry. I am going to be working out on this trip. Not much, but just a little bit. I'm really trying to be consistent in my routine. And even if it's like the 15-minute class for I'm doing one of the core programs on Peloton, we're gonna do it. Okay, that was a little side tangent. Flip-flop sneakers and a sweatshirt, because even though it's gonna be 80+ degrees when we're there, the rooms are cold. So always bring a sweatshirt with you. Next category is miscellaneous / electronics. Most of this stuff goes into my personal item on the plane with me. So my Kindle, iPhone, iPad, all of my camera gear, Apple Watch, a wallet, headphones, cash, gift cards, and my passport, because I still don't have a real ID. Let's not get into it. I promise you I'm actually a very organized person, and normally things like this don't happen, but I worked till basically 11 last night trying to get stuff done, and I have a few other things to do when I get to the airport, so super fun. Then the next category is my Disney extras, anything that's specific to Disney. So I have my new Bagoo Mickey bag, and I'm so excited because the next thing on my list is my Corksicle Mickey bag, which Tom bought me, and it has seen a lot of love, and it's starting to hang on by a thread. Mickey's ears are like this now, and yeah, but I do love that bag, so I'm still gonna bring it. Then we have pins, which I never trade because I get overwhelmed. Then mini ears, magic band, portable charger, towel clips, and of course, hand sanitizer. Then the last 2 categories are the longest. One category is toiletries, and then the other one is hair and makeup. Some of them, like, you could have just made it one category if you really wanted to, but I kind of just try to go through my routine in the morning. So contacts, deodorant, dental floss, toothpaste, toothbrush, razor, tweezers, sunscreen, mouth guard, any like Tylenol, medications, things like that I'm gonna need, Q-tips, face wash, and then I have a little like body spray just so that when I'm in the park I don't stink. a little extra something in addition to the deodorant. Then we have makeup and hair, which I go through again, my routine. Can choose to wear what I want when I'm there. And we have moisturizer, concealer, Elf Glow, powder, blush and bronzer, my eyebrow stuff, mascara. I like to bring a lip gloss and lip liner, so if I'm feeling a little fancy, I can put it on. Hairspray, or I think I'm bringing my like hair mousse thing that I use. Hair crimper, because my hair and the Disney Air don't work together. So if we're using heat, we're gonna use a crimper, hairbrush, and hair ties and clips. So that is my whole packing list. Lots to do, a little bit overwhelmed, but we got this, guys. We can do this. I've definitely done things like this before, like when I packed for a 10+ day trip to Italy in like 2 hours before I left for the airport. But yeah, every time I pack for Disney, it literally gets closer and closer. Side note, really excited because I recently got the United card, so we have club access, boarding group 2, very, very exciting stuff, and it like makes me want to go to the airport early. It makes me feel cool. Okay, anyway, well, let's get to the packing. We are just gonna start with all the toiletries, hair, makeup, all that fun stuff, just because it's the easiest. It's pretty much the same thing every single time, and that way I can get that done and packed up. I did lay this out off camera because we're working with a very limited amount of time. All right, we'll start with makeup. I have my trusty makeup bag that has been through it, and it's probably time for a new makeup bag. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. I don't want to be spending a lot of money because my makeup most of the time explodes on the inside and it gets really gross, and yeah. So let me know in the comments if you have any recs, preferably on Amazon. Anyway, so here's my makeup bag, and we'll start throwing my makeup in here. So I have my Elf stuff, and then also some concealers. We got oh, I forgot. I do this Dibs blush and bronzer stick. It makes it very easy. And then I also bring some powder blush and bronzer, so I'll put that in here. Then I'm bringing some highlighter and this, like, what is this called? A powder. Can't remember what it's called, powder. Then I'll have my mascara, lip liner, lip gloss, eyebrow. That's gonna go in here. And then we have all of my skincare. So for the most part, this is the skincare that I've been using on a regular basis. And since I'm checking a bag, I'm just gonna throw all of this in there. And then I also have all of my makeup brushes and this body spray. It's actually the Fleur body spray. It smells so good, but I just been putting it in this small bottle because I bring it to work, I bring it in my purse, literally anywhere I'm going. So all of this is also gonna go into the makeup bag. I might throw some of these bigger ones into like a plastic bag. Hello everyone, it is future me sitting down to edit this video. I just got back from our trip last night, and I'm realizing that I filmed parts of this video in slow motion with no audio, but it's only the part with my toiletries so far, so hopefully that's it. But definitely just refer to my packing list, and I'll try to do a little like montage of my stuff and like speed up the slow motion. It just won't have any audio, and we'll play a little song. But yeah, this is like real stuff. This is what happens when you pack that late. So don't do as I say, not as I do. We've been hanging out in my guest bedroom, by the way. This is our old bed. We upgraded when we moved here to a king, which is amazing. But guest bedroom, anyway. I laid out all the stuff on the bed. We'll go through it, but let's try on some of the outfits first. And then we can start labeling and going through all the different things that I'm gonna be packing. You can see I got my bagoo bags and some cute keychains and little things. I'm so excited. Thought we could start with the travel day outfit because it is travel day. And I'm already wearing it. So I just have on some jeans. I just want to have one pair of jeans with me, just in case. And then this double line top. And my super cute reversible sweatshirt that I got maybe like 12 years ago. Okay, maybe not that long ago, but it's like starting to fall apart. All right, this is a new fit from Amazon. I feel like it's very cute, so comfortable. Some shorts that are not too short, and a striped top. And I was trying to figure out how I can stick this like squishmallow on me, but like maybe it doesn't even match. This one I think is super cute. I got some overall shorts on, cute little Minnie Mouse keychain. And then this, you can't even see that it says Mickey on it, but I cut it 2 seconds ago. Not that well, but the shirt was like falling apart anyway. This is so cute. I should get a pair of ears or something to wear with this. This will be the last outfit I show because tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. All from Amazon. But this is gonna be my, not Hollywood Studios, what am I saying? My Animal Kingdom fit. Like, come on. It's a matching set from Amazon. Super comfortable shorts, nice and flowy. I ordered it in a second color and it didn't show up, so I might order it to the hotel. Then this cute little bandana and these sunglasses. Okay, now let's go over everything else that I'm planning on packing. I think we are done with all the clothes. I'm like 99% sure. Just gonna do a quick kind of checklist off of my Notion list, travel day, where am I? Epcot morning, I have Hollywood Studios, I have Magic Kingdom. Okay. I don't have an outfit for a flight home, but I have like enough extra stuff that I'm not really worried about it, and I can always wear these jeans again. I'm bringing an extra outfit for Wine Bar George if I want to change tonight. Bar Riva I have, we're going more casual. And then I also have all of the others. Feeling pretty good. And then out of the clothes and accessories, I have the extra outfits. I added the hats. The only thing that I'm missing out of my accessories are jewelry, flip-flop sneakers, which like I technically have, I just haven't like, put them out yet. It's not that hard. And then sweatshirt if I want, and my sunglasses. And I can show you my sunglasses that I'm bringing. I'm bringing a lot of pairs. They're all super, super cute. And feeling good about that. All right, let me do a quick overview. In the back, we have my hats, my socks, and my bras and underwear. We got some PJ t-shirts, my gym clothes and sports bras, and then just some extra tank tops and stuff in case I ever want to wear it instead of wearing a more like, I don't know, different outfit, whatever. Then I have bathing suits, a cover up, Riva night, Hollywood Studios AM, my really cute Epcot walking tee. So cute, and this cute little keychain. I have this dress for the night we're going to Narcoossee's and Magic Kingdom. I really want to get my bridal ears in my bridal era. Then I have a Hollywood Studios romper. So you'll see kind of a mix of things, some t-shirts, some overalls, some shorts. I do like to wear dresses and matching sets just because it makes it easier. There's literally 2 of the same dresses, just in different colors. Most of my stuff I get off of Amazon because I apparently am a last minute packer and orderer. I have this really cute Winnie the Pooh keychain that I have nothing to really wear it with. And then my bagoo bags and my rocking Animal Kingdom outfit. So that's all the clothes. We are done. We just gotta put that into packing cubes. Okay, I have like the largest suitcase ever that I could find at TJ Maxx, I think. It's a Samsonite. This is what we're going to use to pack. I got my CalPack packing cubes in here, and then also I think the bag that I'm going to use for my personal item, personal item. Not really doing carry-on. But okay, let's open it up. I'm gonna try to do like one of those cute pictures that people do that I use for my thumbnail, or else I'm gonna forget to have a thumbnail, which usually happens. Then I'm actually gonna put everything in the packing cubes into the suitcase. All right, I have all of my Disney extras out. Some of these you saw already, so my keychains. I have these really cute little Disney koozies that Danny got me, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna get to meet her. And I'm bringing my certified Disney girly hat because I got her the same one in blue. So maybe we can do some twinning. And then this I kind of already had put together. It just has some hand sanitizer, my magic band, my little word project bracelets, a pen, basically like most of my Disney stuff that kind of just hangs out in here. Oh, there's a pair of earrings. I'll just throw that in there. And then these are all my sunglasses, which I can show you, but let's see. I'll try to like grab some of them. So I have these ones. And then I got a new pack of some colored ones, which you saw. I love the green ones. Where are the green ones? Here. Yeah. The green one's so cute. I get all my sunglasses on Amazon because I'm not gonna lie and say that I take great care of them. I'm very aware that I don't. It is something that I try to work on, but all my Disney extras, we can cross all these bad boys off the list. Most of the stuff will go in my checked bag, but if I have any room, I'll put it in my personal item, which I think I'm gonna use this. It's from Target, super cute. It has a strap that you could slide it onto your like carry-on roller bag if you wanted to, but I'm not bringing one. This you guys already saw. Then here's the rest of my electronics, so my Kindle, my chargers. I have out my passport. I got this super cute passport case when I was in Miami. My wallet that I made in Italy, so cute. My Osmo Pockets, that's what I'm gonna film on when I'm there. And we're gonna try to use the microphone this time so that you guys can actually hear me. My iPad, and then my SD cards, and my chargers. So that's all ready to go. Here's my Corksicle bag that has seen better days. Oh, and a pair of socks, so we can throw that in there too. That's everything. You can just do like a quick little check. I have you guys like propped up on my bed. Can you even see me? That better? Okay. Let's do a quick look. Sorry, the lighting is so weird. It's like kind of a gross day out, so it's perfect. It's leaving for Disney. Kindle, iPhone, iPad cameras. We're good to go on that. Apple Watch, wallet, headphones, cash. Gave Tom the gift cards, my passport, and then Bagoo bag, Corksicle bag, we're good. Towel clips, hand sanitizer, magic band, portable charger, have that. I didn't pack any mini ears, but I packed hats, and that's okay. I want to purchase some mini ears while I'm there, and pins. So that's everything. The last couple things I need to do is just my flip-flop sneakers and a sweatshirt. I'm gonna wear this sweatshirt. If I have room, I'll pack one more. Bag is all loaded up, lots of room still in there. Technically, I could make this like my carry-on. And now I have room to bring stuff home. And then for my shoes, I'm bringing some little flip-flop flats, and then I have 3 pairs of these Sam Edelmans. I absolutely love them. They're literally my favorite shoe, and I'm going to buy them in every single color. And then I'm going to also wear a pair of my New Balances on the airplane. So I'm gonna throw those in the suitcase, and we are all packed and ready to go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I should have left for the airport 10 minutes ago. It is time to go, and we will see you in Disney. Bye.